Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this Valentine folio, Cupid's Keepsake. Here are the final pieces that are included in the kit. Okay, now let's start the assembly. I'm just going to start folding along these lines, and this part of the oval window I'm just going to cut it out, and this is the main panel. I'm going to fold it, and here I have just cut out the central part of that oval window, and I have also printed on the back of these pages. So what I've done here is I've just stitched some fabric over here. You can use some transparent sheet. I've added this fabric in such a way that the plain part of the oval window is going to be the back of the page, and the background paper that I printed on the back side, that's going to be the front of the page. We will see that soon. So here, this is the main panel we have here, and I have also printed the same background paper to the main panels. So this is how we are going to assemble. So this cut out part of both the hearts are going to lay together, and this is going to be the first page with the cherub and the pocket pointing towards the left side. This is going to how I'm going to glue it so that it makes a top pocket with the oval window right there. And with this part, this is the second page, that is the rose page, and with the pocket facing towards the right side, I'm going to glue that again. So let's see again. So this is going to be, as I told you, the old window which has the plain side. That's going to be the inside of that window. I'm applying glue to the first cherub page over here, making a top pocket, and gluing this first oval window right over here. And again, this part of that heart cutout heart page will have the left side of the heart, as you can see. While starting to glue these pages, you can just make sure that you have those cutout part of the heart assembled, then go on to glue the rest of the pocket page and the rest. So this is the rose page, and I have the right side of the cutout of that heart page, and I'm applying glue and gluing the empty side of that oval window towards the next page, towards the rose page. So there you have it. We have now two top pocket pages over here, and I'm going to assemble this. This is how the heart page is going to look. Heart cutout page right here. So we have the pages with the oval windows. Now for the main panel, I'm just taking the main panel and gluing this first pocket over here. The first page is going to be the cherub page. So applying glue to the three sides and making that as a left pocket. And this part of the next page, I'm just going to again apply the same technique and apply glue and glue it to the right side of the main panel. And there you have it. We are done. So this is how it's going to look now. After opening the main panel, you can see these pages and the central cutout heart and the other page over here with those top pockets. Let's start decorating the folio. Here we have some fussy cuts, and I'm just going to attach these fussy cuts to decorate the oval window over here. This fussy cut with the bird, I'm just going to add it to this part of the page, and I'm just cutting out the extra branches so that I can glue it along the edges of this page. And I've included ephemera that fits into these oval window pockets and also the side pockets also. You can see these ephemera that I'm adding over here. And these two ephemera are going to go into these oval pockets. And I have added some tabs, and I'm just going to glue those tabs to these ephemera. Again, I also have these two kind of a long ephemera cards over here, and the fussy cuts that I have, I'm just going to add that as a kind of a tab kind of a thing over here. There you have it. Here is the final reveal of this Valentine folio. This folio has a vintage vibe with lots of cherubs and lots of vintage roses. I really love this, how this folio has turned up with that central cutout part, and the colors are really I love these colors. It has come out really good. I have included the link for this folio in the description. You can check it out, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.